All right, another update video on tonight's snowstorm, Saturday the 15th into tomorrow. Um, is just the northeast reflectivity showing all that precipitation moving our way. It's going to start from kind of west or southwest to east northeast as the evening goes on. I think Eastern Mass, Boston area, and Merrimack Valley will probably start seeing the first flakes a little after dark, maybe like 6-ish, but it'll be spotty at first, probably won't be accumulating much until after 10 p.m. All right, so we're going to look at HRR precip type. So here's our batch of precip, blue snow, these colors, sleet and freeze and rain, and then green rain. So this is at 6 p.m. on this frame right here, and then that continues throughout the region until early morning. We start to see that freezing rain and sleet creeping in here. Cape and the islands and the south coast might get a couple inches of snow, maybe 3 inches or so, but it's going to be rain probably by dawn or so. So a lot of that's going to be melting quickly by late morning through early afternoon. But Boston gets that sleet and freeze and rain batch probably by mid-morning, and then Merrimack Valley mid to late morning, and then it sticks around in north of that for a while in New Hampshire. Some of the higher terrains of Massachusetts, like Berkshires and Worcester Hills, hang on to that freeze and rain as well. And out in that area, it's definitely going to be a problem. Could be a couple tenths to maybe 3 tenths or 4 tenths of an inch of ice accretion that could, besides just treacherous driving conditions, cause some down limbs and power lines. So there could be some isolated power outages out in that area, and especially into New Hampshire. And then you see everywhere else just scattered rain showers. And that'll continue through about 7 or 8 p.m. and then might linger with the frozen precip in northern New England until late evening. And then after all the precip stops tomorrow night, or actually during the storm, we do get a kind of this warm air coming in from these strong southerly winds in south of the Pike, maybe even up toward Boston or the North Shore, might get into the upper 30s or 40s. But then the cold front comes through late on the day, maybe not till like midnight or so, actually, Monday morning. But then behind it, right back to the really cold air. So everything is going to freeze solid, whatever slush you have on your driveway that you didn't take care of. And then there's going to be very strong northwesterly winds as well. So especially higher terrain, but even lower terrain could get 50 to 60 mile an hour wind gusts through the day on Monday. So that could lead to a few power outages as well. And we'll take a quick look at the crap map from Microsoft Paint. So ice accretion showing we got a couple tenths of an inch or maybe a third of an inch or better in the higher terrain of western Massachusetts and southwest New Hampshire, but parts of the northern Merrimack Valley through like Concord and Manchester could definitely get in on some of this freezing rain and ice accretion as well. And then snow could be 3 to 6 south of the Pike. A lot of that will melt throughout the day, but you will be left with a little bit probably. And then I got the 6-inch line cutting through Boston as of now. So north of the Pike, probably 6 to 10 through the Merrimack Valley and in coastal New Hampshire and Maine. And then maybe 8 to 12 or so. I just got a 10 plus there for interior and northern New England.